Hey, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn a very powerful function in Microsoft Excel, that is text join. In a different video I have explained about how to use text join. There I have used another function as well, like and, concatenate, and the text join. Basically the work of text join is to join multiple cells, to join multiple words. So this is one of the better this is one of the uh, uh, this is one of the productive function in Microsoft Excel. So we can use and as well, we can use concatenate as well, but in this particular video I will use text join and I will show you how we can take the leverage out of it. Okay, and in a different video, as I told you, in a different video I have explained that how text join as well as concatenate and function work. It more or less it does the same kind of work, but I prefer a text join, and you will also, whenever you will use this function, you will also know that this is one of the better function in Microsoft Excel. So apart from and concatenate, you can use this is little bit advanced, so you can use it. Okay, so here I will show you. Suppose here I have one dummy data. Suppose some title is there, then last name is there, first name is there, and the city is there. In your case, your data might be different, another some columns might be there, but the concept is pretty clear. You just make clear that you just clear the concept. Okay, so you can add any kind of data. Okay, so now here I want the full name and their city name. So you can do one thing, you can get only the full name as well. Okay, so what I will do, the first thing is, what I will do, I will convert this range into a table first. So I will click here, I will go to data, home, and there I will format as a table. I will take any color, so let me take this color. Okay, otherwise shortcut key also we can use, that is alt control L will work. Okay, so now I will, table design is here, so I will remove the filter option, so it is gone. Now what I will do, I will click I will use the text join function, equal text join. Now it is asking delimiter means what are the things, what is the thing that I want to keep it between two words. It may be space, it may be comma, it may be any other special character, special symbol, like that kind of thing we can do. So what I will do, I will keep space. So what I will do, quotation, space, quotation. So my delimiter will be like space only. So in between, suppose there are 4 words or 5 words or 3 words, so in between I want only space will be there. Okay, so what will happen, comma. Now it is asking ignore empty, delimiter I have already given. Now it is asking ignore empty. If I want to ignore empty, so what I want, so here also I can do one thing. If I want to identify the ignored cell, so there I can I can use any other special character, any other zero, space, any kind of thing I can use. But what I will do, I will just ignore it. So I will press comma, and now it is asking the range, the text I need to provide. Okay, so the first text is this, comma, second text will be my first name. Okay, comma. Now it is asking text 3 will be last name, comma. Now it will be what it will be, then I want to put a comma, and then I want to put the city name, correct? So open quotation, comma, quotation, then again I will press comma, Now my next text is city. I will close the bracket. I will press enter. Let's see how it works. So see how it worked. Here I have got the first name Aman Sharma, okay, comma Mumbai, okay. Now the thing, see the this row here, Dr. Priya Iyer, Bengaluru, okay. So the name in between Dr. Priya Iyer, in between the space is there, and after that I wanted a comma, and then I did the city name only. Suppose, I think you have got the idea. If suppose one more example I want to give you. Suppose here what you can do is, suppose you are not using the city name. In that case you don't need it, right? So you can remove this thing. What will happen? Let me minimize this, delete this. So text, first name, last name I have given, okay. Now suppose I am leaving the city name only. So I will code it, I will press enter. Now see, only the name will come because I have removed the city name. So now see the structure, how it has delivered the first name, how it has delivered the full name, Aman Sharma, then Dr. Priya Iyer. See, in between every word there is a space, correct? So it is a correct one, the correct way it has delivered the way. So you can use text join. So again I am explaining text join, then it is delimiter. Or here I want to show another thing. Let's wait. I want to show, suppose you want to paste a comma like this, or what you can do here, your delimiter may be like this, hyphen, okay. Now see how it works. See, in between every word the hyphen came. So Aman, then hyphen, then Sharma, doctor, then hyphen, like this. So we don't want it, right? We need space only. So anything you can use, you can use any other symbol, you can use any other thing based on your data set. But for this particular case, what I will do, I will keep it space, and then what I will do, I will keep the comma, then the city name, comma, quotation, close. Now again comma. Now my city name will be this, okay. I will close it, I will press enter. So now see, it has taken, and you saw the benefit of converting a table. Here I have written the formula. I did not corrected the formula here. I corrected the formula here or here, I think, anyway I have corrected the formula here, and then I have pressed enter. So it has taken for all the cell, above cell also and the below cell also, it has taken for. So it is one of the better way also. So when whatever ranges you have, whatever data you have, you always convert that range into a table. So it is one of the benefit. So now I think you have got the idea how you can use text join, what is delimiter, what it should be like this, and then how to use this text join function, okay. So you have got the idea. So I will take another example, and here also I will show you how it works. So suppose here, see, here city is there, population is there, city's mayor name is there, state is there, founded the year is there, city clerk is there, and city treasurer is also there. So what I want is, I want this, only this three data I want. I need apart from, suppose in your case it might be huge data. So just for example purpose I have taken this kind of data. So now suppose you want 2-3 things or 4 kind of things, very short way you want to know. That is city name, state name, and mayor name. That is what you want. So what you will do is, I will show you how you can use text join and you can get the result out of it. So here what I will do, the first work is I will convert that data into a table. So Control L, automatically the range will be selected, okay. Now it has taken as well the color. Now I will go here, I can change the color, table style, all these things I can do. So as of now I will not do, I will remove the filter only. So filter is gone, okay. So now I have converted it into a table. Now here I will get the result, okay. So what I will do, equal, and in between my delimiter will be this line only, okay. in your case it might be different. It might be comma, as you saw the last video, last example. Okay, so there also you can use anything. Delimiter, as a delimiter you guys can use anything based on your requirement, based on your requirement. Any kind of delimiter you can use. It may be comma, it may be space, it may be star, it may be line, it may be special character, anything. So what I will do, equal text join. It is asking delimiter. So what would be my delimiter? This time my delimiter will be quotation. I need to keep that delimiter in within quotation. Okay, so now I will write this only. This will be my delimiter, quotation close, comma. Now what I will do you want to ignore empty cells or include empty cells? So suppose in your case it might be based on your requirement again. So if you want to see what are the things are missing, so you can press that okay, false. Or if you don't want to get the missing data, then you can keep it true. So for me, I will keep it false, because I want to see what are the data are missing. False. Now comma. Now it is asking text. What are the text? So my first text will be, let me keep it here. So my first text will be city. Okay, second text will be state, comma. Now the third text will be mayor name. This is what I want only. I will close the bracket, I will place enter. Now let's see whether it has delivered the correct data or not. So let me put the page little bigger. So here you see what is the problem. The problem is it has given me the city name, then the separator as well, the line, and then the state Punjab, and then the mayor name. But here is one problem, have you noticed? The thing is there is no space between city and state, and then the state with the mayor. So what I will do, I did one mistake, knowingly I have done it. So what I will do, I will go here, I will keep the space here. Now let's see how it works. So now is it correct? City name is this, then a separator is there, that is a line, that is what I have given as a delimiter, then Punjab, then my delimiter, then the mayor name. Okay, so now I can keep it into a box or anything. Designing part is different. Okay, so this is it. So I think you have got the idea how you can get the, or suppose you want to get for all the details, like for all the, so what you need to do is you can do it here also. So what I will do, equal text join, my delimiter is quotation, space, then line, space, quotation close. Now what is my text? Whether I need the blank page or not. Yes, I need the blank page as well. It should be false, comma, and for me the text will be like city, comma. Now it will be state, comma. Now it will be my mayor name also. Now let's press enter. Now see, it has taken automatically. So whenever I have used to for one cell, automatically for other cells also it has taken, even it has converted into a table as well. So I am not supposed to create another table or anything. So it is already converted into a table. So within this table, so here I can copy it and I can paste this, the name. Anyway, it's not coming. Copy. Let's see. It is there. So city name, state name, and the mayor name. So is there anything missing? Nothing is missing. So suppose I am, for this second row, I am the state name missing, Maharashtra's meeting, delete. So now see, anything will come. See here the blank page is there. Okay, here the blank page is there because here the state code is missing. So that is what I wanted to know. That's why I used false only. If you use true, so you can't see it. Okay, so if you want the blank page, so you need to use false statement as well. Okay, so now I think you have got the idea how you can use the text join function. It is very helpful and powerful function in Microsoft Excel. So the how it works basically for joining 2, 3, 4, 5 multiple words. Okay, the same kind of work you can do by using AND function and the concatenate function as well, but this is one of the standard that what I found it, so I use it. And I think you also, as of now, you know that the benefit of using text join this function. So in a different video I have explained AND function, text join function, as well as concatenate function. So you can watch that video as well, so you will get the better idea out of it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video, and there we will discuss any other basic or advanced level function in Microsoft Excel. So yeah, so that's it for this video. You just practice it, and I'm sure you will get the benefit out of it. Thanks.